Hi, everybody.
So,
We have Dr. Bansal today presenting that how you can use some of the AI tools to enhance your systematic review search and other criteria. Dr. Bansal, all yours.
thank you, Dr. Kashyap. And today I am taking the example for Dr. Mansi first question, where she is talking about COPD patient population and readmission rate as a systematic review. So I just put, please find the knowledge gap for adult patient in COPD and readmission rate in the Perplexity AI. So they give me what is already knowledge is there, what is the gap it in details. And if you see here, there are lots of article is already there that what is already published on PubMed and everything is here. And then I just put the second prompt for this question, create a PICO for systematic review. So based on my chat with the Perplexity AI previously, so the Perplexity AI, they created the two PICO question for me. So the first PICO is transitional care bundles after COPD hospitalization. And then second one is home-based management or telemonitoring after COPD discharge. And the outcome is the same readmission rate. Then I asked Perplexity AI, is there any previously systematic review, scoping review, or literature review on my topic? So they give me the most up-to-date systematic review on this effects of transitional care in hospital readmission rate. It is published in 2019 and discharge care bundle and telemonitoring and everything. So this is the only three steps you have to take for Perplexity AI to refine your question. And you can verify with the references by clicking here, and you can see the next comes here. That this one is already done. And take this systematic review as a template for your systematic review if you want to do the same topic, but you just want to update from 2019 to 2025. It is already published. That will be cited in your discussion part, and then use the same methodology to update the systematic review on that topic. I hope this will helps you how to use it, and feel free to contact me if you want to know more about how to use Perplexity AI for that purpose. Thank you, Dr. Kashyap. Back to you.